Well, today we're looking at a oil-filled water truck that I heard that it got a tire blew and it rolled over on its side and caught on fire. So here she is. We're gonna go over this. You see the steering broke on it. The tires burned. The engine, all the wires are melted on the engine. There are a lot of plastic parts on here, so if you don't know what it looks like in here, there's a lot of stuff missing. And look at the fuel tank. I guess the fuel tank got hot and melted and all the fuel burned. Look at this aluminum part coming off that holds the frame, it burned. The seat is burnt up. Of course, the fiberglass cab part burnt. It was an incredible fire, that's for sure. And you can see where it smashed the, when it lay down outside, it smashed his toolbox really bad. Look at that is a steel water tank. Looks like you could salvage some of these tires off of it, that's for sure. The tank is done. The lighting isn't exactly good on this. I know this happened a couple of weeks ago, I think. It is I drive a big truck, I'll haul crude oil, so it's kind of rough getting out and looking at this. Look at all that. It's burned to a crisp. It is very interesting to look at all this. Man. Look, it even melted part of the evaporator. That's pretty wild. You can see the two seats in there, and you can see the frame where the windshields were at. She burnt pretty good, that's for sure. I can't tell if it didn't have a fuel tank on this side. You can see the DEF tank looks like it survived back there. Right there you can see where the front part of the aluminum body melted. I'm guessing, I don't even know what kind of truck this was. It's burnt so bad I can't even tell what it is. It looks like it had a composite valve cover on it. And I don't know if I don't even know if it's a Cummins engine or not. It is burnt. Well, there she is.